Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Danner Manufacturing Supreme Aqua-Mag 1200 GPH magnetic drive water pump, a powerhouse designed for aquariums up to 150 gallons. This versatile pump can operate both submerged and inland, making it adaptable to various setups, and it comes equipped with a reusable debris pre-filter to ensure your aquatic environment stays clean and healthy. Not only is it oil-free and fish-safe, but it's also energy efficient, meeting all or ETL certification standards for your peace of mind. With a maximum power usage of 110 watts and 1.5 amps, this pump runs on 120 volts at 60 Hz, featuring a 3/4 inch FPT inlet and a 3/4 inch MPT outlet for seamless connectivity. The 10-foot cord length offers flexibility in placement, and its compact dimensions of 6.4 inches by 3 inches by 5.25 inches make it easy to fit into your existing setup. Whether you're a seasoned aquarist or just starting out, the Danner Supreme Aqua-Mag 1200 is a reliable choice for maintaining a thriving aquatic habitat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.